Dear students, today I am explain about inventory control and stock taking. Inventory control. Housekeeping inventories refer to the stock of purchased operating supplies, equipment, and other items held for future use in housekeeping operations. There are two types of housekeeping inventories. Recycled inventories. No recycled inventories. Recycled inventories. Recycled inventories are for those items and pieces of equipment that have relatively limited useful lives, but are used over and over again. Example: cleaning equipment and other machines, linen, uniforms, and guest loan items. Non-recycled inventories. Non-recycled inventories include items that are used up during the course of routine, in housekeeping operations. Example: cleaning supplies, cleaning agents, and small pieces of equipment. In general, the executive housekeeper must establish reasonable inventory levels for both recycled and non-recycled inventories. Overstock taking must be avoided. There should be an effective purchasing system to consistently maintain the inventory levels. This is the physical verification of inventory by counting up stocks of all items at periodic intervals. Stock taking is also termed as conducting inventory. To maintain the inventory levels, the executive housekeeper need to determine the PAR level for each inventory items. Establishing the PAR levels. PAR refers to the standard quantity of each inventoried item. PAR levels are different for two types of inventory. Recycled items are measured in terms of a PAR number. It is the multiple of standard quantity of a particular inventory item. Non-recycled items, a PAR number is a range between two figures, a minimum inventory quantity and maximum inventory quantity. Frequencies for stock taking. Recycled inventory items. Linens, monthly or bi-monthly or quarterly. Uniforms, annually. Machinery and equipment quarterly or annually. Furniture, annually. Non-recycled inventory items. Guest supplies, weekly or fortnightly. Cleaning agents and materials, weekly or fortnightly. Stationery, weekly or fortnightly. Thank you.